Okay, good afternoon, everybody. It is Monday, August the 8th, and now I am going to do a little job on my little ventilation window here. As you can see, I've already gotten the wasp nest down. I had to battle with a couple of wasps to get that down, so no worries about fixing the screen there and getting stung. And this is my little staple gun here, and I'm just going to get the screen good and secure, and then I'm going to work on the inside here. I'm just going to get that good and vacuumed out, and a fan's going to be going in here. This is it'll be for exhaust and pulling in cooler air. And so let's go ahead and let's see here. Okay, there's a wasp nest back there, and there's another one over there, and I'm gonna see if I can very quickly do this without avoiding getting stung. I respect nature, but these guys need to understand that this is my territory here. So anyway, okay. Okay, so the screen is kind of coming out here. It looks like everything is still held together there, so I guess I'll just very carefully okay. I think that ought to do it. Get it one more time. Get it in that little corner there. Okay. No worries there. Okay. There's not a whole lot of friction there, so no worries. As you can tell, the window is really dirty here. I'm just going to take my old vacuum and I'm going to clean up around it, and then we'll go our way from there. Okay, so now I've got my old Bissell vacuum cleaner here hooked in. So let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned out here. Okay, sorry for the poor lighting in here. Hopefully it's not that dark to where you can't see. Okay. I think that looks a whole lot better. I think that takes care of that. This will be in an exhaust, so basically what I'm going to do is, since the fan will be going in and it'll be facing towards this way, I'm just going to take like a long nail or a screw and I'll just mount that up, and I'm just going to take like a piece of string or a rope or something and I'll have it secured to keep it from falling out of the window. Okay, everybody. I think I've got everything all set here. I got the screw mounted up here on the top casing. I'm going to show you what I have intended for that. So I guess I'm going to take my old box fan here. I'm going to fit it in the window. Okay, wonderful. Alright. Good enough. I think that's going to work out nicely. Now, in order to keep the fan from falling out of the window as it's running, I'm just going to take like a short cable or a short piece of rope and I'll just tie it from here, and I'll tie it around the handle, to keep the fan from falling out and causing a big disaster as I am in here working. See how that looks from the outside? Yeah, I think that'll work. Just gonna take a short piece of rope here. Let's see if I can get this situated here. Alright. Okay, hopefully you can see it from there. Okay, hopefully that should work. I know that it doesn't look pretty, but I think it'll work out just fine. Okay, everybody, so I'm going to have to try a new method there. Obviously, the rope was too thick, and it was not able to go around that screw mounted up here on the top casing. So I've just got a thinner piece of rope here, and I'm just going to take and cut that back, and it's going to go around the handle there, and I'm going to tie it to where it's not hard to untie when I get ready to take the fan out. So let's go ahead and cut back this wire and get it tied around that handle, and I guess we'll get everything here tested. Okay, I think that'll work out. I mean, it'll come back a little bit, but I don't think I've got the knot there good and secure. I don't think that it's going to fall out of the window. Hopefully it shouldn't. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is that I've got my old drop cord here, and I'm going to run it from right here, from where the vacuum is, plugged in, and it's going to be hooked up right over here and then we'll go ahead and we'll test it. Alright, wonderful. I got everything hooked up here. I've got the fan hooked up to the draw cord. Let's go ahead and power it on and see how this works. Here we go. Okay, for some reason this camera is not wanting to focus, but it's working. Okay, great. This is really going to help with air circulation in here. Let's see how it looks on the outside. Okay, great. I think that'll work out just fine. It's going to be easier for me to work here in my shop, especially with this big load that I have. So, well, there you go, everybody. I think that'll work out just fine for now. I hope that you've enjoyed the little clean and repair. Well, technically, it was just a little quick fix of a ventilation in my shop. So, hope that you've enjoyed the video. Post comments, like, subscribe, and more videos to come. Bye-bye.